What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. I've been slacking on the uploads, but we are back at it again with another video. In today's video, we're going to be finally completing my full OEM A-Spec lip kit. I picked these up from my buddy Davey a couple months ago, but I'm very excited to finally have these pieces. As some of you know, these OEM A-Spec kits are very hard to come by, especially the front and rear lips. So here's the final puzzle to the A-Spec kit. As you guys can see, we got the OEM Honda badges, made in Japan. These side skirts were originally painted in Nighthawk Black Pearl. Very beautiful color. I got them resprayed in the premium pearl white, which is my color code. So I just want to give you guys a rundown on the car. For the front, we got the A-Spec lip kit with a top one splitter. For the side skirts, I've been rocking the OEM Type S with the top one splitter as well. And then for the rear, we have the A-Spec lip as well. I used to have a top one motors diffuser under it, but if you watch my first video, you'll know what happened to it. Here's a little side profile of the A-Spec. So the A-Spec is a lot more straight compared to the Type S. As you can see, the Type S has that little angle right there, as well as the rear. And it has that fin that goes up, whereas the A-Spec is pretty much straight throughout. It has a little flare right here and kind of sweeps out. And it sits a lot lower compared to the Type S too. It's a lot thicker as it goes towards the front, which gives it that really sporty look. I might not even have to throw a splitter underneath it. We'll have to see how low it sits when I put them on the car. All right, so enough with the talking. Let's get straight into the action. I'm gonna throw the side skirts on. I'm gonna put the car on all four jack stands. I probably could get away with just putting it on the front too, but to make it easier on myself, I'm just gonna lift all four up so that I have more space to work with. All right, guys, let's get to work. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! I got all the clips out. These were a pain in the ass to get out. I had to break two of them. It's like nearly impossible to get in there because I have the splitter sitting on top of the mounting hole. Well, I have cutout mounting holes, but it makes the hole even deeper and you can't really get that much angle. But I got it off. All you have to do is just slide forward like that. Boom, there we go. It's off. And then I just gotta remove these clips. And I also forgot to mention that this is gonna be the third set of side skirts that I'm putting on this car. So the first one was the original OEM Type S side skirts. I originally had mud flaps on this car, so one day I decided to take them off. And then after taking them off, I discovered that the mudguard was actually digging into the paint of the side skirt, and you can see like a big black line right here. And I didn't want that, so I went on a search on Craigslist. I was able to find a set of OEM Type S side skirts in premium pearl white, and then that's when I decided to throw the side splitter under it. I'm gonna miss this look, but it's time to switch it up and actually match the whole kit. I like the setup that I have right now because the wings match each other. But what I'm gonna end up doing is probably taking these wings up front off and then throwing a 06 to 07 STI V-lip on it. Okay, so I'm about to get these installed on the car. Just a quick tip for anyone that's installing these on their RSX, or pretty much any Honda that has these clips. What I would do first is install the clips onto the side skirts first, rather than putting them in the chassis first, because it's harder to put the side skirt in and then try to pull it back so that it locks into these clips. And sometimes they don't align. So it's easier to just pop the clips in, line the clips up with the holes on the chassis, and just push it in. All right, let's do it. Ooh, I'm so excited. This is gonna look super good. Just gonna make sure I line everything up and not scratch anything. Got that one. There we go, easy as that. All right guys, I just threw them on and that's a heavy hitter right there, boy. Deal, came out so nice. Wow. This is what I love about the A-Spec kit. It's so simple yet effective. Like, it just stands out. Look at that. That is sick. So the car is definitely gonna look a lot lower because of how thick they are compared to the Type S side skirts. But I'm not gonna complain about that. This looks great. Oof, passenger side is done. Bad news, I can't even fit a jack on the sides up front anymore. So I had these two jacks here to put it up on the stands, and then I was on the final jacking point, which is this side, started to lower it, and I start hearing crunching noises. I'm like, oh shoot, we're going back up, take me to the top floor. Oh, I almost totaled those side skirts. But I had to come back here, jack it up, get it high enough, and then I was able to release this one. So we're probably gonna have to drive the car up on the blocks now if I wanna jack it up from the front. But it's all right, I'm gonna be raising it soon anyways.
I've decided from now on, I'll teach you the secret kung fu techniques. I really do appreciate that, Abbott. But first, I want to see how tough you are, how much pain you can take. Abbott, you can torture me all you want. I'm ready for anything that you can give me. You won't regret it? I'll never regret it. Good.
Let's play.
Hope you guys like those little cinematic clips. I'm not gonna lie to you, I think some of those clips turned out a little raggedy because I do shoot, oh, there's an ant on me. I do shoot them handheld. I don't have a stabilizer, so I gotta like hold my breath like and move the camera like that. But anyways, oof. Damn. Car's looking good, man. I got the Starlight headliner running. Go check out my Starlight headliner video if you haven't seen it yet. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Feels so good to be back. I haven't uploaded in like 3 months. But don't worry guys, I didn't retire yet. If you haven't already, be sure to leave a like, leave a comment down below what you think about the new side skirts. Also, hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 1,000 subs. I think we're at like 890-ish right now, but we're getting so close. I have tons of new content coming on the way for the car that you don't want to miss. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.